Everyone, we're away, aren't we?
We are, and we're in Wales.
We are. We're actually in North Wales. We're at Llandyn Caravan and Camping Park, and that's close to Llangollen. Now what we're going to do is we're going to quickly show you around the site, let you have a look at it. Nice little site this, and some brilliant places to go from here. But we're not going to be showing those today. All we're going to be doing is showing you the site and explaining how far it is into Llangollen if you want a day or an afternoon out, aren't we?
You are, yeah, lovely walk.
So just take a look at this, and this is the park. So well folks, that is the Llandyn Caravan and Camping Park in North Wales, close to Llangollen. We've enjoyed it, haven't we?
We have, we've really enjoyed it, and the walk down is into town is, what, it's 20 minutes, that's for me, and I walk very slowly, but the path is very even and really
It's
is a nice
safe
walk.
as well, isn't it?
It is. It's a really nice walk.
Yeah, if you've got your dogs, you can obviously take them as well. And if you cycle as well, it's great to cycle in. Now, on the actual video, we showed you the path, and like Juliet said, it is flat and quite level. It's really good. Now, the site itself, we've been really pleased with it. We've been here 5 days. It's been quite busy, actually. We've had a lot of camper vans on, a lot of motorhomes, and quite a few caravans, but not as many. Now, it's only been open 3 seasons, this park, and it was open just around about the COVID period. And so it's quite new. Now, the facilities are excellent. They're very clean.
Yeah, they are. They're very spacious as well, the showers. They really are good.
They are. The only thing that I will say is there's not enough loos and showers when there's full capacity on here, because obviously a lot of camper van people rely on the facilities, so it tends to get a bit of a queue, doesn't it?
It did at the weekends, because it was a really nice weekend. The weather was good and there was a lot of people here, so perhaps that has just done a bit of a change of how people are using sites now.
Yeah, it could be. But all in all, we've got no complaints at all. The 2 wardens were absolutely lovely, very helpful. We were allowed visitors on site, which was great, because my stepbrother from America came over to see us, which was nice to see, wasn't it? It was lovely to see him.
They liked the site as well, because
Yep.
Carol and Uncle Les came as well.
Yeah, they did. And we had a really good day with them. And the wardens, like I said, were very accommodating, really pleased. Now, I'll leave a link to this place in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. But we've had 5 days. We're moving on tomorrow, and we're going to go and stay at our regular spot, which is Beaconsfield in Shropshire. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.